I thought I would come out into the garden because I'm going to give you my favourite arms drill. This arm drill, like all my drills and all my combinations, goes over 32 counts. And the reason for that is that 32 counts will fit into any piece of music. Yeah, and the reason that I've done this arm drill over 32 counts is it means that if I do any combinations, or if you create any combinations, this arm drill will work over that combination. So it will fit into any piece of music, it will fit into a verse in a piece of music, it will fit into a chorus in a piece of music. If you're listening to pop music, or if you're using emergency, a classic piece of belly dance music, it will fit in. So what are we going to do? We're going to start off with snaky arms, shoulders down, rib cage nice and lifted, not lifted up too high, just nice and level. Yeah, shoulders down. Remember our bubble, we talked about this in the previous video, our kinesphere. We want to be making sure that we're going right the way out to the extent of our beautiful personal bubble. And we're going to start off with snaky arms. The snaky arms are going to start down here. They don't start here, they start down here. They go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way up. Remember there's space up here. Don't just end up here. There's space right the way above you. One of the reasons I'm out in the garden is so that I have loads of space up here. I'm going to then turn my hands, and I'm going to turn both hands, yes, so that they come in together, and then I'm going to tilt, yeah, so this one was coming down, so it was up high, but I'm going to tilt them to change them, and then I'm going to part. So that's my first 2 sets of 8 counts, so my first 16 counts. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Second set of 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Part 6, 7, 8. Then this arm is going to go over here while this one rises up. So this is my next position. Yeah. And then this one is going to come under as this one comes over my head. So I'm bringing this elbow round. So this is here. You don't want to cover it over your face if you can help it. So it comes around here. And that's your next set of 8, yeah? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You making the most of your kinesphere, using the space above you and to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4. This one comes under, this one goes over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep those shoulders down. Last set. This hand comes around. 1, 2, ripple. 3, 4. Bring the hands out, elbows come back to bring the hands down your body. When you come down your body like this, you need to bring those elbows back, yeah? So that your hands go down the body, otherwise it goes down in front of you and it doesn't look so good. So, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yes. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll give you good technique as we go. Shoulders down, right the way out to the extent of your bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the way up, using the space above you. Keep this shoulder down. 3, 4. And where are we? That was 5, 6, 7, 8, wasn't it? Starting the next set of 8 counts. Turning those hands. You're turning from the wrist, keeping the hand long. 2, 2, 3, 4. Tilt. 5. Open up. 6, 7, 8. So we're on a diagonal here. This arm comes over to this shoulder as this one raises up. Remember your kinesphere, remember your bubble all the way out, touching that bubble. 2, 3, 4. This snakes under your gorgeous face as the other one goes over your gorgeous face, and you end up here. So can you see? So I'm kind of like this. That was the little bit I forgot just now. Shoulders down, of course. Hand snakes around here. 2, 3, 4. Pull it back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time, and then we'll do it with some music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do it with some music. Here we go. We're going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4. Elbows back as we go down. So use the kinesphere right the way out to the edge of your bubble, all the way up. Turning the hands, shoulders down. Meet and part. Over to one shoulder. Under your face as it goes to the other one. Round. Ripple, shoulders down. Elbows back and down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3. Elbows back, and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, and over. 2, 3, 4, and here. 6, 7, 8, around. Ripple, elbows back. Let's add in some sharp hips. So I'm squeezing one buttock in the other. Got my knees soft. Nice sharp hips going. Now we're going to keep those arms smooth and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 2, 3, 4. Part. 6, 7, 8. Over one side. Under the chin to the other side. Round. Ripple. Elbows back. And down. So we're keeping sharp hips. 4, 5, 6, 7. And smooth, slow arms. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Adding a little bit of head action here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hope you enjoyed that. Try it out, practice it. We actually add that to camels and all sorts of things in Undeniables online. Once we've got that that arm pattern going, we can add it on top of all sorts of things. So if you like my teaching and you want to come and join me, then check out my membership community, which is called Undeniables Online. I'll put the link, the address at the end of this. It's an amazing community. We've got live classes, online classes, fantastic community courses. It's got so much, and it's all aimed at helping you to become the dancer you have always dreamed of being, with my help and my guidance. So come and check us out, and I hope to see you live one day. See you soon.